Okay, got Master 911. I literally just opened this. I had this. I bought it when I first started picking. I saw on a video that this is a lock that once you learn the basics is a good lock to get to pick when you're learning. The lock, you have to pull in a shackle. The spring on it is has a lot of tension on it, and with having to pull, I guess that's why and having spools is why it was recommended to get when you're just learning to pick. And the bitting would be pretty good for a new time picker too, I guess. So I've got to clean my table, which I've had it sitting over here. I just never really bothered grabbing it and picking it. So this will be the first time I have put a pick in this lock. Wasn't ready for the spring to give that, but alright. There's a little turn on the core. Let me get Alright, feels like counter rotation on that pin if I can get under it. I'll be glad when my picks get here. Alright, I think I got it that time. Another one. Alright, I believe I got that one. Let's see. I believe I got that one. dropped a couple. My tension wrench slipped. And we are open. I only dropped one. I thought I dropped more than one, but we are open. So let's see if I've got the right I had read online somewhere that that one's too big. I think it was this one. Yep. Okay. So the clip, yes it is. Which if we lock it back, not a big deal since I got a key. I'm glad I finally opened this. Because I may give it away to a new picker. Or I may turn it into a sleeper lock too. See if we can get it like this. Oh yeah. So I believe one of my key pins might be up in the Bible right there. So there's one. Standard. 2, 3, 4. Get scoot over. I think when I turned it upside down and then had to take my pick and shove them back to open it up, I think I might have shoved it a little too hard. We will soon see, because this was a brand new lock. There's a spool. Yes. There's the key pin for 2 and a spool. Three's a spool. 4's a spool. 5 is a spool. Okay. This lock is all spools. I figured there'd be at least one standard in here. But no. It is all spools. Alright. Here is the Master 911. Glad I finally got to it. All standard key pins. And all spools on top. All spool driver pins. Which, like I said, I'm kind of surprised. I figured I would have at least one standard driver pin, but they were all spools. Alright, as always guys, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll put this back together and figure out what I'm going to do with it after that. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.